Hi JVs, we have arrived at our penultimate release of the year, and it's our last regular one as well. Myself and Mark Jenkins invite you to Christmas Traffic, or Xmas Traffic to be precise, on December the 4th. Now what this essentially is, it is firstly a collection of all of my traffic related products released during 2021. So that includes total traffic, place your link, promote your offer, traffic time, and triple traffic. But in addition, it also includes a brand new rotator, which is going to deliver traffic to people that pick this up for the remainder of this year and throughout 2022. And this new rotator is from a brand new traffic source that hasn't been used on any of the other rotators that I've released this year. Now what this all adds up to is an absolutely huge pot of traffic that people will be getting for a one-time price of $12.95. There's even a drop-down coupon on the sales page, so they can actually pick this up for less than a tenner. So they will get obviously a URL of their choice on this brand new rotator, and with all of the traffic related products, those that act fast will get the best results, because if you look at any of the rotator pages, you'll see that there's a big cluster of people right at the top that have got about 10 times traffic more than anyone else, and they're the people that managed to get their links on the rotator when there was hardly any links on it. So obviously every second or every third hit, then every 10 hits, then every 20 hits was going to their URL before eventually obviously they get hundreds of links on the rotator, and then their results get diluted. But those people that act fast and get on fast, they get all that ton of traffic that they can scoop off right at the beginning. So there always really is a genuine reason to push people to take fast action on these traffic releases and to pick them up in the first 24 hours of the launch. Okay, so they will get on this brand new rotator. They'll also get a URL. Now, by the way, they can submit the same URL for all of this stuff. So that's why we're saying it really is a 60-second submission, because if they just want to submit one URL to all the different traffic sources, all they've got to do is copy and paste their URL, put it through our site tester to make sure that it works, and then that's it. That's the end of their involvement in this product. So it's as push button simple as you could possibly get. They could literally do all this in less than a minute. But if they want to, they can submit a different URL for each of the rotators. They can, look inside the products and do a little bit more research and think more carefully about what type of offer they want to promote on each of the rotators, because everyone has got slightly different characteristics. But for traffic, for the new one, so for Xmas Traffic, that's a brand new rotator, new source. Triple Traffic is another new source. That is the rotator that's actually getting the most hits at the moment. Traffic Time was an earlier rotator, which is still getting good traffic. Place Your Link was our very first rotator, which has now had over 50,000 hits. That one is particularly only for traffic in the MMO niche, because the traffic for that rotator comes mainly from my own traffic and my own sites. Then we've got your Promote Your Offer, which is a slightly different concept, where their link will appear inside a membership site where people are incentivized to visit their page and to pick up their offer. So that one actually includes an incentive for people to take action rather than just visiting their link. And then Total Traffic is a product for people that want to do it themselves. So Total Traffic will actually teach people 15 different ways that they can get free organic traffic for their offers whenever they want to. So the people that are more hands-on, the people that are not the push button crowd, they will also enjoy Total Traffic. So there's something for everyone. It really is the ultimate Christmas gift for marketers. And so I do encourage you to jump on this launch. It's got the potential to be a good one. It's still at the start of December the 4th, during a period where people, haven't quite switched off yet for Christmas. So there's still a good chance of tapping into getting some good sales. Our usual $850 prize contest, the last couple of times that we've done traffic related products, we have had to give away the entire prize money because people have hit the quotas. So, you know, there's a realistic chance that you can win yourself an extra $500 by taking part in this as well. So myself and Mark look forward to seeing you on the 4th. Hit us up if you need anything for your promo, and we look forward to seeing you there. And an early Merry Christmas.